Well, I think it's a great event. It's very challenging for us as individual, and also when we have to work in group, and we have to actually work with strangers. Some of them are strangers, so it's a little bit hard too, and that's a good challenge, I think, for the future and when we're finished with this in school. Yeah. So.
I think it's a good experience, and it's very challenging to work with something new, and the thing that it's a limited time. I think that's nice.
I think that's also a good thing, because we get to work with some. I'm the first semester, so some are ahead of me and got more, know more. So yeah, that's good, and we can exchange idea with those, and it's a good thing.
You mean between the classes? I think it's good. We get to meet new people, and yeah, and work with different areas. Yeah, I think.
Actually, I don't have a favorite color. I like all of them. So.
It's blue.